Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We have a dash remote, any remote that look like this, and I believe they say that the battery is dead on it. So let's see if we can read the information about this key. The key is good. Now we're gonna push this one, wait a little bit. Frequency, no frequency. See, nothing. So maybe the battery is dead. So let's try to see if we can take it out. And now from here, you're gonna put any screwdriver here and just go with it like this. You're gonna open it here. This is the place where the key is, the battery. Move it out. Look at the battery side. 2032. 2032. I have this one, I believe. Don't cut your hand. Take it out. Now we're gonna come here, put it slowly this way. Now come back. That's it. Now let me see that. See? Reading. Perfectly working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.